That's fine then.
This meeting is being recorded.
Yeah. Let's discuss. So we were discussing which topic?
Last thing we were discussing I'm not sure of the name of the topic, but it's like K3, the similarities and conjurings.
Yes. Do you have any questions?
Nope.
Okay.
I went
And
over.
what happened this week in school? Which all topics?
We started with bearings and angles and polygons, but I understand angles and polygons. Can we just go over bearings quickly? I understand the basics, like we start from north and then we do the rest in one point, and then the angles.
Yes. Can you tell me the page number in which it is in your book?
174 to 177.
Yeah, I'm opening it up. Okay, so we already know a little bit about bearings, that it is, see, it's again the angle only, right? But it is angle which is measured clockwise, right? And from the north direction, as you said. So for example, if this is the angle, we just don't take it like this. We will take it clockwise from here to here, isn't it? Can you see it on the whiteboard?
Yes, I can.
Yeah. So basically, we will be doing the same thing in different situations. Do you want to try a few questions and then discuss through that?
I got most of them, but is there more to bearings than just like angles and measuring the outside?
Not really.
Oh, okay. Then would you like to start a new topic? Because I already covered this in school.
We can do 2-3 questions and then we can move to next one. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, not two. It's 4, 6G, then 10th and 14. These 4 questions. Okay. Let's try them and then we will start the discussion.
Okay.
Exercise 4.8, page 175.
we only discussed
This meeting is being recorded.
10th and 14th are not done, right?
I'm sorry?
10th and 14th are not done?
Yes, because in
Okay,
school
tell
we
me the
only
answer
schedule-
of fourth one.
I have to send you a picture of this one.
Yeah, please do. This is the fourth one, right?
Yes.
So fourth question says Bermuda is 1650 kilometer from Orlando on a bearing of 77 degrees. Jamaica is 1990 kilometer from Bermuda on bearing of 220. Draw a scale diagram to show the position of Bermuda, Orlando, and Jamaica. Okay. You have to just represent the angles as well. Otherwise, it's fine. Okay.
Most of the ones outside?
Yeah.
Like the anti-clockwise ones?
Okay, actually, the picture which you have shared somewhere in which it's getting cut from the right-hand side, so I can't see the whole thing. But what I can see, the other thing which I can see is correct.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Now coming to 6G.
I got 39 degrees. 0, 39 degrees.
Yes, 0, 39, 39 degrees. Correct. Let's move to 10th one. It says the bearing of B from A is 70 degrees. The bearing of C from A is 120 and bearing of from C from B is 125. Find the bearing of A from C. Okay. How did you make it? Have you tried making it?
Are we supposed to draw it?
Yeah.
Okay, because I wanted to ask you if all they meant was, since I know that from A to B is smaller than A to C, if it would be the same. Like C would, from A to C would be the same.
One
Because it
second.
says the bearing from C to A. Oh, from C to A is 120. So don't I just do 360 minus 120?
Yeah.
Is that how I do it?
Yes. To find the rest of the part, right?
Mhm.
From A. 1 second. It's given from A. So it will be 120 only. But the one which is given from C from B, that means here, C from B, this part. Can you see this part?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, sorry, C from B, this one. This is 125 degrees. So question is, find the bearing of A from C, the opposite. So yeah, what were you saying? 360 minus
120, I think.
120. 1 second. How it can be 120? C from A is 120. And we have to find C from and B from C.
And then B from C would be 360 minus 125.
360 minus?
125?
No, it's just with respect to north, we have to see, no? let's say if this is A, this is B, and this is C, for example. Okay. If I'm calculating something from C, right? So firstly, I'll be drawing north of C. So from C, this is 120, and this will be it would be subtracted. 1 second.
$235.
A to B, this part will be, if this is north, this part is 70, and if I have to tell from B, and then similarly, if it would be B to A to C, this part will be 120. Now, if I have to tell from B to C, this is B and this is C. So this is B, and with respect to this is C. That is 125 degrees. Now from A from C. So this is A and this is C. So C's north is here, and we have to calculate. C is here, A is here. We have to go from here to here. And this part, this is not right here. This is 70. Draw it first. 14th is also same. Is it?
Yeah, it's similar.
Oh, 1 second. I have to draw it. So this will be 120. So 180. Okay, let's understand from firstly. Okay, let's understand A and B. Okay, A and C. Sorry. So it's given that from A to C, Sama, that it is, let's say this is A and this is C, and they are making 120-degree angle. Okay. This is the bearing. Now the question is from C to A, right? That would be this 180 and this part, which is 120, which is being made here. So these are alternate angles, we take it. So the total will be 180 plus 120. We don't subtract it from 360 because we have to go clockwise. So that is 300 degrees. This is what we do. See, I'll just make it a little clearly. This is C. This is north. This is 120 degrees. Any doubt till here? This was given. That bearing from A to C is 120 degree, right? Now question is to find A from C. Now C is the base. So we will draw north on C, right? And we have to go on A, right? So till here it is 180 degree, the semicircle. A semicircle is 180 degrees. Yeah?
Yeah. Yes.
And this part, the extra part will be same as this bearing, which is 120. Because these two are parallel line and one transversal, one here, one here. These are like alternate interior angles. Okay. This is how the whole thing will become 180 plus 120.
Oh, okay. Too late. I'll just fix my answer.
Yeah.
So for B, okay, I'll try doing B and then I'll let you know my answer.
Yes.
In this one, we subtract, right?
In this case, B part,
Yeah, we
find
subtract.
the bearing of B from C. Okay. Firstly, let's understand what is the bearing from. Okay, what did you do? Tell me. I'll start from there.
Okay. So this one's easier, and it's it's from C. Oh, it's sorry, I mixed them up. But if it was C from B, okay. Okay, wait, I'll redo it and I'll let you know because I did something wrong. Okay, I redrew it and then I put 180 plus 130 and it gave me 310 for the final answer.
100 and
310.
let's discuss. For the B part, are you sure? How did you get that?
Okay, so I redrew the diagram and I know that, and I drew the north for C.
Hmm.
So I knew the south and that was 180.
Can we
And
say
then
from this part that the bearing of C from B, C from B is 125 degrees? Can we say this?
Mm-hmm.
It's given in the question, right?
Wait, but isn't that from A?
No. Read the last line of the question. It's
Okay.
bearing of C from B is 125.
Uh-huh.
Now, question is find the bearing of B from C. So we will make north on C and we will just find this part. So it is 180 plus 125.
Okay.
Got it?
Got it.
Just have a look and then try 14th.
What are X, Y, and Z?
What are X, Y, and Z? It's given right there on the figure on the right hand side, no? The angles.
Yes, so from the inside, okay.
Yeah. Do you want to discuss or is it fine? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
I was saying, do you want to discuss or is it fine?
No, it's fine. For X, I got 80 degrees. For Y, I got 60 degrees. And for Z, I got 40 degrees.
Perfect. You want to discuss or is it clear? You want to discuss it?
Is it wrong?
No, it's absolutely right. I said absolutely right.
No, I didn't hear you at first.
What?
I didn't hear you at first. That's why when I just heard let's discuss it, I thought it was wrong.
Okay, can we try one more question so that, we should have confidence? Okay, now it's done. 13th one. Try this one.
Okay. Mhm.
Any difficulty, Sama?
Yes, a bit. I drew it, but I'm not really understanding part B.
Make clearly on your scale diagram the locus of points where the ship is less than 4 kilometers from the lighthouse. Okay, this you have to draw.
I drew it. I can send you a picture. But I don't know what a locus of points is.
1 second, I'm checking. So yeah, till here it's fine. Basically, locus is that point, Sama, where whatever points they are saying, like what they are saying in the question is, mark clearly on your scale diagram the locus of points where that means those points which satisfy this condition. What condition? Where
That
the
it's
ship
4
is less than 4 kilometers from the lighthouse.
Mhm.
4 kilometers
I,
from
s-
the lighthouse, yeah.
I still don't know what that means or how to find it.
You have drawn it till 110 degrees, that is fine. And
Oh, between the L and the
Al is
sail.
8 kilometers southeast of Port P, right?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, half of it will be 4
Yeah,
kilometers. Yeah. From there, we will draw the arc.
so I just go to line L and I divide it by half.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, okay. So like this. Wait, I'll send you a picture.
Sure.
Yes, I just sent it. Is that what you mean?
1 second. Yes, yes, yes. Correct. Perfect.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. Next topic is which one?
She didn't give us the order yet, so we can pick anyone. How about we do
Trigonometry?
okay.
Yeah. So in trigonometry, basically, what is trigonometry? Firstly, let's understand. It's ratio of sides with respect to angle. This is what trigonometry literally means, okay? With respect to
Mm-hmm.
angle. So for example, and what type of triangle so we always talk it in triangle. What type of triangle? It has to be a right angle triangle. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So let's say we have a right angle triangle, that triangle which has one of the angles as 90 degree. Right?
Mm-hmm.
So now we have few angles with respect to, let's say we have 30-60, we have 20-70 or whatever it will be. What will be the ratio of the sides with respect to these angles, right? So first thing that you should know is tan theta. Okay. So they have given three different names. Sine, I'm taking it as x, theta is a little alienish. Sine theta, sorry, sine x, cos x, and tan x. I'll just write how we pronounce it. Sine, cos is cos only, and tan. The full names are sine, cosine, this is cosine. The full name is cosine. Here it is sine, and here it is tangent. These are the full names. Okay. We write it in
Wasn't
short.
tangent? Wasn't
No,
tangent the we took in graphs when it's a curve?
Yeah, we did that, but it's a different one here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Now, each one of them has different ratios. So let's understand what is what ratio. Okay. So the first one is tangent. So let's say whatever angle we are taking, in front of that, what is the opposite side and what is the adjacent side to it? Okay. So for example, this is triangle DEF and this is 90 degree and this is angle X. These are the terminologies. They don't have meaning. They have meaning only in trigonometry, nowhere else. Like if you'll try to find it in dictionary, you'll get the same meaning as we have discussed here. The tangent, the trigonometry functions. These three are trigonometry functions. Now, let's say if I have to find tan X in front of X, opposite, what is the name of the side in front of it? ED, can we say that?
Mm-hmm.
Adjacent is always this one, EF. Hypotenuse, which is DF, is the largest side. For hypotenuse, we will always mention hypotenuse, not the adjacent one. So this is how we find tan X. ED, which is opposite to this angle, and EF, which is adjacent to this angle. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Try this one. Find tan Y. This is 90. This is Y. This is ABC. Okay. And here we have, let's take 8 and this has 5. What will be tan Y?
BC over BA.
BA or AB. And what are the values given for each one of them?
For BC it's 8 and for AB it's 5. So 8
That's
over
your
5.
answer. Okay, so this is how we do it. We will be doing it in detail in tomorrow's class. This was just a glimpse of trigonometry where we discussed tan. We will do the other two also, and we'll start with the first exercise of it. Okay? Any questions?
More then.
Yeah.
No, but I wanted to thank you for actually doing the questions for what's it called?
Questions for?
For the bearings, because I thought that 2 angles were the most that we do. So thank you for letting me do the questions.
Yeah. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.